Kate here with WTI, and have you ever seen a more beautiful office chair? This is from Fohfurniture. It is in this gorgeous black faux leather finish with curved wooden arms. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this detail. The underside of the seat is also this gorgeous wood. I find this makes it so classy. This would be beautiful in any office. It gives you such a mature, sophisticated look. It has a very generous seat, so it's nice and wide. It has a lower back and it's fully adjustable. Just with a tiny touch of the lever, you can raise it up or sit it back down. So that makes it so it can tuck under any height of desk. It has the 5 wheels with a 360-degree swivel, so it moves like a dream. Very easy to maneuver around your office. It was also very simple to put together. It came in just a few pieces. The instructions were nice and plain, and my son was able to do it on his own. My son is currently using this at his desk. The stitching is really nice. Every finish is well thought out. I am just blown away by the quality and the detail in this chair. It also has just a nice amount of cushion. It's well structured, it's nicely padded, so it's very comfortable to work with. So if you're looking for an office chair and you want it to be stunning, but also comfortable and move around really well, I think you'll be really impressed with this one, and that's my point of view.